Let me have a bite. Let me have a bite. Hey, stop. You should share it. He's scared of my hands. It's really sweet, but because he's got no reason to be afraid of them, other than the fact that if he's injured, I have to wrap a towel around him and pick him up. He does not like that. He's getting rather close to me, to be fair. They really do like going at these things. Seeing at different angles. Hey, be kind. There's enough of it for both of you. I've got another 6 or 7 of them as well, so. But you can't have it yet. You have to finish this one. They're really very cute and affectionate birds, but problem is Peaches can be a bit bitey because he still doesn't like people's hands and stuff. Oh. Let's be careful, because I can't even see my fingers properly holding this thing. And I have to be careful of his beak, because he will try and he'll just act like my fingers are the food and just try and bite them. Whereas see, you just missed it. Let me see if I can. Oh! He has no problems doing that to me. Whereas Zuko, he'll just nudge me and push me away. Hope you're having a lovely afternoon.